I guess I should introduce myself. Hello, my name is Catherine Christian, and if you've never seen my face before, I would love it if you guys would subscribe to my channel. The link is down below or at the end of this video right up here. I'm going to be doing a weekend in my life. I'm starting it on a Friday. I just got off of work. It is 4:52. I was supposed to be off at 4, but I had to finish processing. I'm going home and hopefully we're gonna watch The Greatest Showman tonight because my mom has never seen it before. It kind of kills me that I can't play it in the car because she has never seen it before. I hope you guys like this camera quality better because guess what? I just got a new phone and it's the iPhone 8 Plus and I'm gonna be filming all of my vlogs on this now and hopefully the camera quality will be 10 times better. And I'm going to drive home and I'll see you in a few. Change of plans. I noticed that Yonkers upped their sale price because they're going out of business and it used to be 20 to 50% off. Now it's 30 to 50% off, so I'm gonna see if the thing that I want is at a higher percentage off. But now I'm gonna change and take off my makeup because I don't want to be wearing it anymore. Yeah. Trying to turn on the TV, it doesn't want to turn on anymore. Gotta hold it. See, watch this time it will turn on. Oh, it's not turning on. To be continued. It turned on after like 30 tries. Yeah. Good morning, guys. It is currently 10:39 May 19th. I thought I would show you guys a little outfit of the day. I decided to not go with any makeup today. I was gonna like do a little fresh face makeup kind of dealio and white mascara and whatnot, but I decided not to because I am going to my friend's jazz concert tonight downtown with my other friend, and I'm probably gonna go like full face for that, so I decided to let my face breathe a little bit before tonight. This jean jacket from Brandy Melville, my top also from Brandy Melville, leggings are from Garage, and shoes are Adidas. I actually just got new ones because the other ones had holes in the bottom of them because you know, I worn them literally so much and I rolled up the sleeves. It's like 70s outside, but it's gonna get colder and it's gonna rain later, so that's why I'm wearing the jacket. And then I'm wearing my necklace that I always wear, my Fitbit, my rings that I always wear. And yeah, I'm gonna go to the outlet mall. I don't know where else I'm going. I'm gonna try to see if I can find like a pair of high-waisted black jeans with rips in the knees. So I went to Garage. I finally found the pair of jeans I was looking for, and now I'm going to Sephora to get rematched for my skin color because my skin's a little darker, just like a tiny bit, and the other foundation I had was making my skin look a little pale. So let's see if this works out. So I'm gonna eat lunch, watch some YouTube videos, and then I need to work on editing my video that's supposed to go up tomorrow. I have to do that, and then I have to get ready to go to the little mini concert tonight around 5:30, 5 sometime. 5, I don't know. So yeah, that's my update. I'll show you what I got. So I got those black jeans that you guys saw me try on, and then I was matched and I got the Kat Von D Lock-It foundation in the shade Light 46. Cool, looks like that. And then I had like a lot of points, like 1,400 points or whatnot. So I decided to get the 500 point thing, which is the Find Your Fab First Aid Beauty thing. Comes with a face cleanser, the resurfacing liquid, coconut water cream, and ultra repair cream. Look at the poor squirrel. Oh, little buddy. I'm sorry you're out in the rain. Yeah, it's kind of raining right now. Hopefully it will stop when I go to the concert tonight. I mean, you can kind of see the rain if I focus on it. Wow, yeah, so it's pouring right now. Good thing I was able to put my car in the garage. For a little outfit of the night, I'm wearing this top, I believe is from Charlotte Russe. My jean jacket is from Brandy Melville. My jeans are the ones I just got with the rips. They're from Garage. I'm wearing my watch from Kate Spade. My necklace as always, my earrings as always, and then my earrings are from Kohl's, and that is my outfit of the night.
When you kiss me, fever when you hold me tight. Fever in the morning, a fever all through the night. Sun lights up the morning, the moon lights up the night. I light up when you call my name, and you know I'm gonna treat you right.
Good afternoon, guys. It is currently like 12:40 something. I don't know. But I just got back from church and I thought I would show you guys what I was wearing for my outfit. So I'm wearing this jumpsuit from Target. It looks really good. These shoes are from DSW. I don't remember the brand, but they're really cute. And then I was wearing this leather jacket from Dry Goods over top because my mom doesn't like me wearing spaghetti straps to church. I put my hair in braids last night after I got out of the shower, and then I just took them out in the morning. And this red lip is from NYX. Oh, this is like really good lighting. Okay, sorry, I look really good. Anyway, I'm gonna go change, and then I'm gonna eat some lunch or make some lunch or figure out, I don't know, something for lunch. And then I'm gonna edit the video that's supposed to go up today, and we'll see what else happens for today. I was in the midst of filming and my camera turned off because my battery was out and I didn't even realize it. So we're gonna see if it has enough battery to finish filming this video that I was working on. So hopefully it has enough battery to finish the part that I was saying, so then I can at least put it on my laptop and then get another video started. So I just finished filming about like pre-filming about 4 videos, or like the intro and outro videos, and filmed basically all of one video, so that was really nice. Now I'm gonna be cleaning my room a little bit, especially my bathroom. At least my sink area needs to be cleaned a lot, so I'm gonna go do that, and you guys are gonna get wow, words are hard. You guys are gonna get a little bit of a cleaning montage. I just finished working out. I am out of breath and I'm really sweaty. You just saw that happen. No, that's embarrassing. I should probably clean this up. Hey guys, so I have to whisper right now because my parents are asleep, but I'm just gonna end the vlog right here. I took a shower and now I'm gonna watch not Infinity Wars, God, I wish. I'm watching Avengers Age of Ultron because I wanted to watch all of the Avengers movies in order from the very first one up until Infinity War, so I could go watch it in order because I hadn't seen a whole bunch of them. So I'm just doing that, and then I'm gonna go to bed. I'm saying goodbye for the vlog because this is the end of it, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye.